One thing I like to do is mix my coffee with ice.
¿No les gustaría darle la bienvenida a ellos en español y en su también?
Oh, perfect. Good morning everyone, I hope you're all doing amazing. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Guatemala, Central America. I've partnered with the Real Intercontinental Guatemala, one of the best hotels in the country, to show you what Guatemala is all about. The hotel is located in Guatemala City and is the perfect place to base yourself out of to explore all the must-sees in the country. Today we woke up at 5:30 a.m. and we're taking a 3-hour drive to Lake Atitlan, one of the most beautiful lakes in Central America. My friends at A La Carta Tours are going to be showing me why Lake Atitlan is so special.
Hello guys, I'm Pablo and today we're going to visit one of the most beautiful lakes in the world. Is at the Lake Atitlan, and we're going to see as well one of the most beautiful towns there. The name is San Juan La Laguna and then Santiago Atitlán.
Going through all these towns, I see a lot of places for tires.
The second bigger capital of, the commerce of Guatemala. Most of the business you will find on this place. For example, all the wheel tires that you can see here is for all of these cars. They come from United States and more for Japan. All of these cars is by second hand.
So now you know if you want to buy a used car or tires, go to Chimaltenango.
The name of this town is Solola, but this is coming from the Mayan name Sots. In the Mayan language, that means bad. This is the Mayan protector god of these people. Actually, this is one of the most old towns of Guatemala, and from the ethnical group Cachiqueles. The Cachiqueles is coming from the 1500 actually. So this town is from 1500.
Our first stop here at Lake Atitlan is Mirador de San Jorge. So this is basically a lookout point. And from here you could see all of Lake Atitlan. You could also see Panajachel, which is the town we're going to now to get the boat, which is right here to the left. Here there's vendors, they're selling lots of different artisanal, goods. Lots of cool stuff here, paintings. And hey, Mariel de Viaje.
Hi, how are you? We are in the Lago Atitlán. It's amazing. Do you see the color?
Yes. Yeah, it's gorgeous. This is just beautiful. I've actually been here before. I was here in 2012 and it looks more beautiful than I remember. I mean, this is crazy. And over here we have, what's the name of this volcano?
Hey guys, the name of that volcano is San Pedro La Laguna, and the other one is San Lucas Toliman, and behind is Santiago Atitlán.
Lake Atitlan was formed millions of years ago when a prehistoric volcano imploded. There's tectonic plates around here, so it just, got absorbed, it went down. Then here we have the lake. Multiple volcanoes came up after that. There's 3 volcanoes around the lake.
Okay.
She always forgets to speak English. So we finally arrived to Lake Atitlan and we're here at Panajachel, and this is basically the starting point to go out to the other towns. This is a very touristic spot. They gave it the nickname Gringolandia because there's so many tourists come through here. There's a lot of restaurants, lots of bars, a big market, as you can see walking down to the docks. Just like vendor. You can buy souvenirs. So something very unique about Guatemala is they have a lot of nuts, and there's a guy selling it, a little kid, he's selling peanuts. I got like a mix of peanuts, a mixed variety here, and it cost me 25 quetzales. 25 quetzales I'd say is like $1, $2. And here we have a red one. I don't even know what this is. Do you know what this is? It's a sweet peanut. Oh my god. It's like roasted with sugar. They're so good.
Whoa. Look at this. This is only you will find in Guatemala. Amazing.
They're like amazing.
It's very good, yes.
This is exactly how I remember it. Just beautiful. This is probably the best spot for photos. Looking at the lake. Yeah. There's people swimming right here. And another great thing about Panajachel is that if you're staying here, overnighting here, it's a great place to go out. The nightlife here is amazing. Obviously everybody comes here for nightlife, right?
Yeah, most of the people come here because they love to be something like this. and they prefer to come here and not Antigua, for example. But this is the paradise of Guatemala. Now we are on the way to San Juan La Laguna, where it's one of the most beautiful towns from the Lake Atitlan and one of the most organic towns as well. The people living from the fishing, and they living from the agriculture, from all the textiles, and of course for the coffee plantations. They got one of the most important coffees of Guatemala in production, of course. So the people living as well about painting, they reflect everything, what they feel, what they see, what is around them. So San Juan La Laguna is the name of this beautiful town.
Something really interesting about Lake Atitlan is that over the past 20 years, the lake has actually gone up 15 feet or 5 meters. And this place got affected a lot because, as you can see right here, these were houses and shops, and they lost most of their beach. I mean, their beach is gone. That's all due to tropical storms. This place is like stunning. I mean, this is like real Latin America. It just feels so authentic and gorgeous. And you know, the people here, that's something really important for you guys to know, is the people here are, you know, like real indigenous people. It's not just like a big mix of the Spaniards who mixed in. The Spaniards that mix with the indigenous people here are called mestizos. So as you enter San Juan La Laguna, you'll notice a lot of vendors selling paintings. This place is famous for its painters, and they're also famous for having some of the best coffee on the lake and in Guatemala. And right now we're gonna try some coffee. Oh, I can't wait. This place looks awesome. And what is this place called? Cafe San Juan. So here in San Juan La Laguna, they make coffee beans, Arabic coffee beans. There's two different types, Caturra y Bombón.
Bourbon.
Bourbon, and Bourbon is sweet, and the other one's acid.
It's acid. So that's gonna get at the good mix, I mean at the good blend.
Yeah, no, it should be a really good blend. I mean, acid and sweet. I take my double espresso with no sugar, so you get, you know, really good coffee. You never need sugar. If you need sugar in your coffee, it's bad coffee.
Yeah, it's the drink of the lords.
The gods.
Yeah.
Está buenísimo. Super strong though.
Yeah. How you feel?
Mis ojos. Bing. Wow. One thing I like to do is mix my coffee with ice.
¿No les gustaría darle la bienvenida a ellos en español y en su también?
Oh, perfect. So here they have the 3 different roasts, light, medium, and dark. You can try medium and dark. The first one I tried was medium. This one's dark. I just got a regular espresso because to have a quadruple espresso right now would be killer. Oh, I like this one more. Nice. Wow. I'm really loving this dark roast, so I'm gonna buy a bag. And these bags cost $60, which is roughly like $7 US. I think it's worth it. Buying part of the best coffee in Guatemala from the source. Oh, this coffee is amazing. Amazing. What? This coffee has me electric. Let's go.
Yeah, I can see that. So in San Juan La Laguna, it's more of a 45 murals on the walls.
45 murals.
45 murals.
That's amazing. Yeah, I mean, like I told you, this is like a painter's town. So many beautiful pieces of art. There's like, I don't know, 100 galleries just walking up the town, and everything, they're very similar, but at the same time, each artist gives their own touch. And I like the ones that have the Mayan women with the fruit.
Yeah.
And they also have like lines with different colors. It was really nice. All these murals.
So this is a snow cone, but in Spanish we are called granizada. So this is something typical from Guatemala. I think you have something like that in other places of the world, but this is unique because they're gonna make the mix with ice, lime. They're gonna put sometimes corn beans as well inside, sometimes peanuts or something additional. And this you're gonna get on this the amazing flavor.
Gracias, amigo.
Bien, muchas gracias.
Let's do it. Let's try this thing. You first, you first. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, it's amazing. Really refreshing. So good.
The best.
Oh yeah, look at this. Oh dude, mixing it with the corn, I've never thing to mix like these like really crunchy corn with ice. The lime, oh my god, incredible. With this heat right now, we need it. Buenísimo.
Huele. Oye, claro que rico, ¿de qué? Bebé.
Pruébalo, 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 pruébalo.
¿Tiene cacahuates?
Súper diferente de México.
Que mezcla, ¿no?
Quiero uno.
So we've entered Casa Flor y Cacos. This is a textile factory, a cooperative of women from the area. And basically here we're gonna see the process of how they weave scarves, clothing, and how they put it all together and dye the cotton. This is really amazing. Let's walk in here. Wow, so many beautiful things. What? This is an incredible blanket. What does it cost? $65 US. I think it's worth it. Oh man, look, the lady's weaving right here.
Here we are in San Juan La Laguna and we are in Casa Flor y Caco. Here we are 20 families working with cotton and natural dyes. We grow our own cotton in 3 different shades and we only use natural dyes to produce all the different colors and working with backstrap weaving. We are 34 weavers and from 14 years old to 85 years. And we are a cooperative and we have our shop where we sell all the different textiles that we produce. So we pick the cotton from the plant, cleaning, taking the seeds out, all the seeds we use to grow more cotton. After cleaning, we do the thread by hand with the spindle, sorry. And after doing the thread, we produce colors using plants, seeds, vegetables. And after making that, we hang dry all the thread that we use for the dyeing process. And then we start to make the design using a warp or a table where we pick where we choose the width and the length, the pattern for every different product. And everything is done in the backstrap weaving or backstrap loom, which is an old technique which is passed down through generations.
Something really cool about this place is that every single product has, you know, on the tag, it has the lady who actually weaved it. So this one is Susana Trambis, and it took her 3 weeks to do this. It cost $40. Tells you what dye it is, so charcoal, hibiscus, mint, curry, etc. Wow, this is really, really cool. And this is actually a table runner right here. This is amazing. They also have honey from the area. I'm a honey addict. Wow, dame eso.
¿Seguro?
Sí, lo tomo. Man, this honey. Energía.
Ay, este cachorrito. Perro y...
Wow, this tour in San Juan de Sula has been incredible. From textiles to coffee, even the honey was out of control. I mean, Lake Atitlan is a place you have to visit when you come to Guatemala. I highly recommend it. Check out my friends a la carte tours. They have the best tours in Guatemala and they also have the most knowledgeable guides. And yeah, if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next adventure in Guatemala.